Today, we're going to create something new. First, take a look at this channel, Duck's Quest. It has only 28 videos uploaded, but already has 1.82 million subscribers. Just check out how amazing their videos are. They're getting millions of views. Now, the big question is a channel like this monetized? Let's find out. I'll go to Social Blade and paste the link of Duck's Quest. As you can see, yes, this channel is monetized. In the last 14 days alone, it's earning between $358 and $5.7 thousand. Today, I'll teach you how to make videos like this, using a super simple and easy method. I'll also show you how to create your own custom prompts, completely free. You can easily make one short video daily using this unique method. Every part of this video is important, so don't skip anything. Otherwise, you might miss key steps. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. I regularly share powerful YouTube tricks like this. This is the same secret big creators aren't telling you. People on YouTube just keep watching and watching. This content hooks them. If you apply this method, your channel can explode too. So stay with me, because what you're about to learn can change your YouTube game. Let's get started. First of all, I open YouTube, and here I search for the snipping tool, which is available on a PC. From here, I crop the image one by one and save it. I name the folder, for example, Duck Folder. You can name it whatever you like. The first image gets saved, and in the same way I crop the next image. Let me also explain why I'm cropping these images one by one. Then, I crop the next image as well. This is how I crop all the images. Now I want to combine all these images into a single image. For that, I open Adobe Photoshop. You can also use any software of your choice. I add all the images into one single image like this. I add all the images in one combined image. But why am I doing this? The reason is that we want to get prompts from ChatGPT. If we upload a single image to ChatGPT, it gives a prompt for that one image. And ChatGPT can handle only 2 or 3 images at most to generate prompts. So what will we do? We'll combine 4 images into one image and then ask for prompts. That way, we can get a prompt based on all 4 images together. Have a look at how it turns out. Now I open ChatGPT. Here, I upload the image that contains the 4 combined images. Below it, I write, I want to create an image exactly like this. Please give me prompts for these 4 images so that the result looks exactly the same. ChatGPT then generates prompts similar to the uploaded image. Now that I have the prompts, I go to Leonardo.ai. It's a great website that gives you 150 free credits. I click on the top section, select Phoenix 1.0 quote as the model, and paste the prompt. Within just a few seconds, the image is generated. And as you can see, the final image is ready. Now I copy the next prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here, and the image will be generated. You can see the result. Then I copy the prompt for the next image and paste it as well. And as you can see, the next image starts generating and soon appears. Look how amazing the image turned out. Finally, I copy the last prompt, paste it, and the final image is created. You can check it. The image has been successfully generated. Now, how to create your own image or prompt for these 4 images? Let me explain. First, open ChatGPT. I copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then I add this sentence. The duck is walking on the road. You will see an updated new prompt generated. Copy and paste that new prompt to get a new image. After that, I add another sentence. The duck is in the city, and there are many other ducks with it. This will create a new prompt again. This way, by using your imagination, you can create many different images with your own unique prompts. Now, the next step is to make videos and add background music. To create videos, I use 2 websites. The first one is digenai. Here you can make videos for free, and they give you 300 credits. You can see my account. The credits will be added the next day. This way, you can make around 10 videos for Shorts for free in one day. It's the best option to create 10 videos in a single day without paying anything. So, I click on Create, then click Upload, and upload the first image. For the prompt, I write, "The duck is walking while holding a baby stroller in its hands and is also talking." After that, I upload the next image and write the prompt. "A hyena has attacked the duck, and the duck is now worried and saying to the hyena, 'Please let me go.'" Then I click Generate, and the video starts being created. After that, I move on to the next website, The next website is Pixaverse, which gives 60 credits daily per Gmail account. Use your own creativity here to make videos. This is a good website. Here, I click to upload an image and write the prompt. The duck is being hanged. Tears are coming from its eyes and its body is trembling. Now you can see the video starts generating. This is also a very good website. Then I upload the next image and write the prompt. The duck is talking while its eyes are moving, capturing a natural, emotional moment. This is how my video gets created. Now, how to get free background music without copyright? Go to YouTube Studio and open the audio library. Here, you'll find a lot of music tracks. You can select them one by one and use whichever you like. After that, click on Sound Effects, and you'll find plenty of effects you can also use. Then, go to YouTube and search for Give Me Duck Background Voice. You'll find many duck sounds, and you can select one that is copyright-free to use as duck voice effects. Now, I open CapCut, which is the best software for video editing and the one I use myself. Here, I upload my video, select the size, and set everything up, adjusting the video, background music, and all other elements. And just like that, the video is ready. Thanks for watching, and next time I'll bring some new methods for you. Okay, bye everyone. Love AI videos? Subscribe now. I reveal a brand new AI video style every other day. Learn and create your own. Explore the future of animation. Follow my channel to discover unique AI video styles, updated every alternate day. Don't miss the next big trend in AI videos. New styles revealed every other day, only on my channel.